Well, our temperatures the last couple of days have just been nice and warm during the day, and overnight most of us are staying above freezing as well. So I know a lot of us have been seeing some of that ice that's built up on the side of the roads melting. We've got a lot of water out there still. And even as we go into the next couple of days, it's looking like maybe those overnight lows will stay close to freezing. Here's what we're warming up from today though. 31 degrees in Kalispell, 37 over in Trout Creek, right around freezing in Missoula and Potomac, 27 in Darby. So a little bit cooler in the Bitterroot out there. Now, with these warmer temperatures, it has been melting a little bit of that snowpack. So we had all of these areas above 100% a little bit after December into January. Now, after kind of a little bit of a dry month overall in January, we're seeing some of these snowpack numbers go down a little bit, especially on this western edge of Montana and kind of in the west central areas, the upper Clark Fork. We're close to 199% in the Flathead, but this next storm that we're getting is looking like it will help some of these mountain areas build up some of that snow again. Let me show you what's happening here. You're really going to see when I show you this future track a nice break in the valleys for a lot of this. Some of it will start to roll in, but look at 4:30 p.m. today. You can see how it's really in those mountain ranges. It's staying out of the valleys for quite a bit there. This is 12:30 kind of overnight into the early morning hours tomorrow. We will see some snow fill in. Most of the precipitation that we see later tonight when it hits will be rain, but we're going to have a cold front come in that will drop those overnight lows a little bit, maybe give us some snow overnight. It's not going to be a lot for us in the valleys. We'll mainly just maybe see some water ponding on the road, a couple of slick areas, but the mountain passes are where we're going to see the most snow hit, especially Lookout and Lolo. Now, the reason that's going to happen is because in those mountains, we've got the weather conditions right now. We're going to see this phenomenon we call downsloping, where this flow of air, as it tries to come down, it's going to squeeze moisture like a sponge, and we're going to lose the moisture on the way down. So our mountains will see some good snow with this system coming in tonight. The valleys, not so much. You can see it with the chances there for Missoula. Pretty light overall tomorrow. Those temperatures do change a little bit though. 40 degrees in Kalispell today, 36 tomorrow. You can really see how those precipitation chances not as high as what we're going to see in those mountains, and just a little bit of a change with the temperatures.